Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching AgricoStop. Today I'm gonna quickly share you proper potting soil mixture recipe for your potted plants. So let's start. Secret behind a good harvest is all about a good soil, especially when you're planting in a container or a pot. I'll always see that my ingredients are in proper proportions so that they will do their job in a right way. Otherwise, all of your efforts will be washed away. I have taken 50% of garden soil, 20% of manure and 30% of cocopeat. Garden soil is the base. Garden soil is any soil that is locally available to you. In my area, soils are red and it has got good amount of clay in it, which is not too much. Cocopeat increases porosity of potting mix, helps to make the soil loose and airy. By the way, this is homemade cocopeat. I'll drop the link down in the description. Do check it out. Manure in the sense, I have mixed both farmyard manure and sheep and goat manure together. I have a past video on farmyard manure, check it out in the description. Now I'll mix them up really well. I'll also add 10% of sand in it. It improves drainage. If you're planning to grow plants like rhizomes and tubers, increase the amount of sand. There is nothing much science in it. Rhizomes and tubers are basically underground. So the more looser and lighter the soils, the more is the growth. After the preparation, take any shaped container and make holes in the bottom. These are meant for proper drainage, as to allow excess water out but not the soil while watering. Before signing off, a quick notice regarding my next video. That is, all you need to know about sheep and goat manure. Hope you had some knowledge watching this. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified about my further videos.